the world. The US had done some efforts, China had done some efforts. There were some initial sparks in Israel and Europe that had come up because everybody realized the importance of coding for kids. Just like maths in the Industrial Revolution, prior to the Industrial Revolution, maths was not being taught in any school. And there was a gap of about a decade before school caught up with the needs of the industrial world, where maths became the center of the curriculum in schools. We all knew that the whole world is being shaped around technology. Every household, every industry, consumer tech is at the center of every household, every industry. And the importance of teaching codings to kids so that they become the creators and architects of this technology versus passive consumers of it was a very well-known need state in the world in almost every academic discussion that was happening. The reason the category had never scaled before and what Whitehead Junior was able to do uniquely was that they were able to make the love of coding happen for kids because of the one-on-one teacher model. And the one-on-one teacher model was only possible because of this extremely educated, qualified, yet underserved population of Indian women who were not actively involved in the workforce because of childcare restrictions or they didn't want to travel because of safety in big cities. And we were able to harness that power and do very, very rapid training for them because they were already extremely qualified and get them to become extremely dedicated, delightful coding teachers for kids. The success of the model was that not just in India, but in every part of the world that we launched in US, UK, Australia, the teachers were extremely well received because people loved all parents loved the sheer engagement that kids had with the teachers, the extent to which they could make the creative expression of the kid come to life and make the kids feel extremely delightful when they were building stuff, right? So in all of our classes, the kids were building apps, they were building animations, and the teachers were able to bring that creative expression of kids to life in its complete form. So the message I had was that if you are an entrepreneur today, India has an incredible talent pool. We tapped into one of that pools, which was this extremely qualified, charismatic base of women who were not represented in the workforce. And we were able to leverage them to teach coding to kids all over the world. And subsequently, we're going to do that for maths and for other subjects as well. And there are multiple such segments in India of very qualified workforce that is currently underutilized or not fully representative in the workforce, and creating service-oriented models around that, which can be fully brought to scale with technology in the way Whitehead Junior did with a live class that connected teachers and students, is a very, very powerful idea that I think can take over the world, right? Using this extremely qualified Indian base and whether that's education models and providing these services all over the world through technology is a very powerful mechanism of creating opportunities within India and creating products that the whole world will value. And I think that's the power of Whitehead Junior. And I think within every entrepreneur, there is a story that I'm sure can be leveraged in the creation of these models, right? So in my for them, because they were already extremely qualified, and get them to become extremely dedicated, delightful coding teachers for kids. And providing these services all over the world through technology is a very this extremely qualified, charismatic in India of very qualified, which can be fully brought to scale with technology in the way Whitehead Junior did with a live class that connected teachers and students, is a very, very powerful idea that I think can take over the world, right? Using this extremely qualified Indian base and whether that's education models and providing these services all over the world through technology is a very powerful mechanism of creating opportunities within India and creating products that the whole world will value. And I think that's the power of Whitehead Junior. And I think within every entrepreneur, there is a story that I'm sure can be leveraged in the creation of these models, right? So in my case, for example, I had extreme conviction from the first day that I started Whitehead Junior that this women force would actually become excellent teachers, because I saw the whole journey happen with my mother. She was a army officer's wife, and she was the topper also in Delhi University. But all her life, I saw her struggle to actually build a career for herself, because she kept following my dad around from Sri Lanka to Leh, Ladakh to Assam, and could never build an independent career. So I always had this feeling that there are thousands of women like my mother who are very qualified, who are not being able to fully participate in the workforce because of familial restrictions. And my kind of goal in this world is that I should be able to leverage this extreme power and charisma of these women and make that come to life in a business model, right? And I think all of you have your own stories, and I think this is a great opportunity that's waiting for India. So that's all I wanted to say in my introduction, and thank you very much for this opportunity.